Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Spruce Grove, Alberta sits just west of Edmonton, known as a family-friendly city with parks, trails, and a strong sense of community. Before European settlement, this area was used by Indigenous peoples, including Cree communities who traveled through and relied on the land for hunting and gathering. The mix of open prairie and stands of spruce trees made it a practical stopping place. Those natural features would later influence the town's name, giving Spruce Grove its simple and descriptive identity. Settlement by Europeans began in the late 19th century, as homesteaders arrived looking for farmland. The Dominion Lands Act encouraged people to move west, and by the 1890s, families were establishing farms in the area. Early life was not easy. Harsh winters, isolation, and the challenge of breaking prairie soil meant settlers had to be resilient and resourceful. A key turning point came with the arrival of the railway. In 1905, the Canadian Northern Railway extended service through the area, making it easier to transport goods and connect with larger markets. This helped turn a scattered farming region into a more organized community. Businesses began to appear, and the settlement slowly took shape around the rail line. Spruce Grove was officially incorporated as a village in 1955. At that time, it was still a small, quiet place, but change was on the horizon. With Edmonton expanding and more people looking for housing outside the city, Spruce Grove began to grow. By 1971, it became a town, and in 1986, it officially became a city. Growth in Spruce Grove has been closely tied to its location. Being just a short distance from Edmonton has made it an attractive place for commuters. Over the years, new neighborhoods, schools, and shopping areas have been built to support a rising population. Despite this growth, the city has worked to maintain green spaces and a small town feel, which continues to draw people here. The city has also invested in recreation and culture. Facilities like the Trans Alta Tri-Leisure Center provide space for sports, fitness, and community events. Nearby parks and trails offer residents and visitors a chance to enjoy the outdoors year-round. In the winter, the landscape changes completely, bringing opportunities for skating, skiing, and other seasonal activities. While modern development has shaped much of what you see today, reminders of the past are still present. Historical buildings, local museums, and preserved spaces tell the story of early settlers and the challenges they faced. Today, Spruce Grove continues to evolve. It offers a glimpse into how Alberta's smaller cities have developed over time, steady, practical, and always connected to the land around them.
Thanks for watching!